All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So I just have a few closing thoughts as we gently transition into our new community. This has been an amazing 6 years. We've had this group since 2014, and it's been awesome. It's been a place of community and support and sharing and connection. It's been super useful when we've had new progressions. I'm so thankful for all the veterans that are in here supporting things. I know a lot of people get benefit from this group. They're not posting or commenting or liking or sharing or anything, but they do watch what's going on. And so it's just been awesome to be a part of this, and I'm very thankful for the opportunity to be a part of this and to be in this position that I'm in. So thank you so much. It's been great. This new community, we're crazy about it. It's awesome. We have a great group of people in there already, and it was a really big decision for us, and we know it's the right thing to do based on all the stuff that we covered in that previous video. Remember, it's a place of education, facilitating experience and experiments, and it's a great place of support, and it's only focused on our health foundations. That's what we really love about it. We've had a couple people reach out that because of what we're going through couldn't afford it, and if that applies to you, anyone that's worked with me for any amount of time knows I'm super flexible with that part of it, so just shoot me a message and we'll get you in there. And I think I just want to end with some key points about what we've done together. The information that you've learned from us is going to serve you for a lifetime. It really will. Because remember what the SHT is. It's really not any one thing. It's everything that works. All right? That's what we do. Most people are completely confused about what they need to do to be healthy. Most people that come to see us have a general understanding of some good health concepts, but they just can't put it all together because there's so much information and misinformation and competing methodologies. And so what we do is we experiment with the relevant methodologies that work, and we boil it down into what it is that we need to know, because we are interested in what works. And I feel like what we teach is very common sense. And because we're always learning and experimenting and evolving, everything that we put out is always going to be relevant and up to date. This is a way of life for a lifetime. It's not restrictive, it's super doable, and it's from the heart. We're here to help. I started this whole thing with an intention to share what has helped me, and that's what I'm going to keep doing going forward. Right? It doesn't matter where this thing goes, that's going to be the intention behind this thing. And remember, as you move forward, whether you're a part of our new community or not, you always have access to me. You can always reach out. You can always ask questions and share feedback and comments. Better is better. Remember that. Better is better. Better with diligence. So if you do just a little bit better with what you're doing, that's better. Right? It's better than not getting a little bit better, right? And if you're a little bit better with what you're experiencing as far as how you feel and your symptoms, a little bit better is better. Those betters accumulate over time. We just need to be constantly engaged in what it is we're doing. Remember, every decision that you make is a potential vote for the kind of person that you want to be. And we don't need a unanimous vote, we just need majority vote. So just keep plugging away. When you fall off, have the commitment now to get back on and begin again each and every time. Because you are only one decision away, you're only one meal away from being right back on it, you're only one workout away from being right back at it, you're only one good night's sleep from feeling amazing, and you're only one meditation session from being calm and relaxed. You're only one decision away from being better than you were before, so just keep it up and keep moving forward. All right, we're always going to have our Facebook page, our Instagram, and our newsletter, so make sure that you're connected with those things, and just take advantage of what we have to offer, because the majority of stuff we put out is completely free, and it's what you need to do to be healthy for the rest of your life. All right, we love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being a part of this. We will see you guys soon.